morning all of you. I Razia Patan from Nanmati Vidya Update, standard 5th. So students, today we will start multiplication of the large number. So in that, now see, look at this, 20,132 into 32. So in that, what we have to do, students, first of all, we have to draw the place value box. In that place value box, either the place value house, whatever you have to say, place value house we have to draw. In that we have to write that ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakhs and 10 lakhs is there. Then we have to put the bigger number in the upper side and the smaller number in the lower side. So we have to write the 20,132 plus and then multiply by 132. Then we have to multiply first once in the bigger number. So answer will be 4,264. 4 twos are 2, 4 threes are 6, 4 twos are 2, 4 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4 is there. Then we have to cross marks here and then we have to 3 multiply by 20,132. 3 twos are 6. Now look at this. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6 is there. Then we have to put the double cross marks and then we have to multiply by 1. 1 twos are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2. So answer should be, now product number 3 we have to got it and then we have to write the answer 4 as it is, 6 plus 6, 12 is there, so we have to write the 2, 1 is a carryover, 9 plus 2, 9 then 10, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 2, 40, so we have to write here 4, 1 is a carryover, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 as it is, 2 as it is, so answer should be 26,57,424 is there. Now students, you have to look at this and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start multiplication portion. So in that, now see, choose the correct option. 13,424 into 212 is there. So in these types of the question, 3 possibility answers are given. You must solve the check with the ones in the correct. Let's solve it. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw the place value house and then we have to write the bigger number on the top and the smaller number in the below row. So 13,424 into 212 is there. Then we have to multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 is there. Then we have to, so we can see that once in the answer has been 8, digit 8 is there. Okay, then look at this first one, answer is the 8 is there. So in that only one of the given options has the 8 in the ones place. ones के place में only one ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट है वहाँ पे ones है. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, the ones place of the answer match with the ones place of options, so therefore options is in the correct option. So for ones की place में देखो 8 is here, so second one is the correct answer. Now look at this, 43,102 into 112 is here. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work and then we'll check the answer. Okay students, let's check the answer. So in that, since all the options has the small digits in the ones place, we cannot guess the correct options with the help of the product one. So we can carry out or complete the multiplication. So students, what we have to do, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then we have to cross it out here. 1 2s are 2, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Again we have to cross it out here. 1 2s are 2, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4 is there. 4 as it is, 2 as it is, 2 plus 2 4 is there, 6 plus 1 7 is there, 8 plus 3 8, then 9 10 and 11, 11 plus 1 12 is there, 1 is a carry over, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 is here, 4 as it is. So answer is 8,27,424. So look at this, which match is the first one option, that is the options is the first correct answer. So first one is the correct answer. Now students, I will give you 1 minute to how to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, now we'll start multiplication of the large number. So in that, 2,950 multiplied by 312 is that. So first of all, we have to draw the place value house, and then we have to write the bigger number in the top and the lower number in the below row. So in that, we have to write here bigger number 2,950 into 3,012, So in that we have to multiply by 2 multiply by 2915. So 2 5s are 10. Right here 0. 1 is a carryover. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 9s are 80. 1 is a carryover. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 8. 4 plus 1 5 is there. Then we have to cross marks here and we have to multiply by 1. 1 multiplied by 2950. So answer is 2 1s are 2 5s are 5. 2 1s are 1. 1 9s are 9. 1 2s are 2 is there. We have to cross 2 cross marks is there, and then we have to write 3 5s are 50. 1 is a carryover. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 9s are 20. 27. We have to write here 2. 7. 2 is a carryover. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8 is there. Then we have to add the product number 1 plus product number 2 plus product number 3. So answer should be 0 as it is. 3 plus 5 8 is there. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 9, then 10 11 12 13 14. So we have to write here 4. 1 is a carryover. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 15 is there. 15 plus 4 19 is there. Right here 9. 1 is a carryover. 2 plus 7 9 is there. 9 plus 1 10 is there. Right here 0. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 8 9 is there. So answer is 19,000 9,480. Now students, you have to look at this. I'll give you one list. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, next worksheet is the multiplication without regrouping. Without regrouping is there. So in that 1615 multiplied by 143 is there. 3 5s are 15. 1 is a carryover. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4 is there. 3 6 are 80. Right here 8. 1 is a carryover. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4 is there. Then we have to put the cross marks here, and 4 we have to multiply by 1615 multiply by 4 is there. So 4 5s are 20. Right here 0. 2 is a carryover. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6 is there. 4 6 are 24. Right here 4. 2 is a carryover. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6 is there. Close it out. 2 cross marks here. Then 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 6 are 6. 1 1s are 1 is there. Then we have to plus the product number 1 plus product number 2 plus product number 3 is there. So in that 5 as it is, 4 as it is, 6 plus 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 5, 19 is there. Right here 9, 1 is a carryover. Then 4 plus 4, 8 is there. 8 plus 1, 9 is there. 9 plus 1, 10 is there. Right here 0, 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 30. Right here 3, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2 is there. So answer is the 23,945 is there. Now students, you have to look at this and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you one list. You have to complete your notebook. Okay students, now we'll start next worksheet, worksheet number 7. Okay students, now look at this. 5,637 into 190. So 9 7s are 63. We have to write here 3. 6 is a carryover. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Right here 3 is a carryover. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Right here 7 5 is a carryover. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 5, 15 is there. Cross it out here. 1 7s are 7. 1 3s are 3. 1 6 are 6. 1 5s are 5 is there. Cross it out, 2 cross marks there. 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3, 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5 is there. 3 as it is, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, 10 is there. Right here 0, 1 is a carryover. 7 plus 1, 8 is there. 8 plus 3, 8, then 11 is there. 11 plus 7, 18 is there. Right here 8, 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Right here 0, 1 is a carryover. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Right here 7, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 5, 6 is there. Now next one sum is 8,324 into 4,072 is there. So in that 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Cross marks here. 7 4s are 28. Right here 8, 2 is a carryover. 7 2s are 40. 40 plus 2, 14, then 15 and 16. Right here 6, 1 is a carryover. 7 3s are 27. 27. Sorry, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16 is there. 7 4s are 28. Write here 8. 2 is a carryover. 7 2s are 40. 40 plus 2, 16. Write here 6. 1 is a carryover. 7 3s are 27. 27. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22 is there. Write here 2. 2 is a carryover. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58 is there. Again cross marks 2, and then you have to write 4 4s are 16. Write here 6. 1 is a 4 4s are 16. Write here 6. 1 is a carryover. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 is there. 4 3s are 12. Write here 2. 1 is a carryover. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33 is there. Write here 33. 8 as it is. 4 plus 8, 12 is there. Write here 2. 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 6, 12 is there. 6 plus 12 plus 6, 18 is there. 18 plus 1, 19 is there. Write here 9. 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 7. Then 8 and 9 is there. 9 plus 9, 18 is there. 18. Write here 8. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2 is there. 2 plus 8, 10 is there. 10 plus 2, 12 is there. Write here 2. 1 is a carryover. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9 is there. 3 as it is. So answer is 39,000. 39 lakhs 28,928. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 7 in your workbook page number 11 and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete this worksheet and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day. I hope so students your work is complete. You have to send the homework before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Bye everyone.